And that's all the section. And that's all the 8 section of the Article 2 the teacher and the state. Did everyone understand the lesson? There's any question or clarification? Okay, ready for the quiz. Before our quiz will start, first, I have some question to ask for you. At your own observation, how it can be helpful to the teacher. If the teacher don't obey this, what will be happen to them? As a student, how do you connect yourself to the topic today, to our topic today? Thank you for your wonderful answer. And ready for the quiz. Today, our quiz is just answer the true or false. Write true if the statement is true, and write false if the statement is wrong. I giving you a time to answer this question in 5 minutes. Before you go home, I'll give you an assignment. Your assignment is make a reflection about the teacher and the state. Minimum of 300 words and pass it next meeting. Goodbye, class. And that's all for today.